Alright, this is Dr. Morey with Uncivilized Vitality. Just a quick video for another way to carry your gear around. This is for our friend Lynn down in Arizona, New Mexico. I forgot where Lynn moved to. But he sent me videos all the time, links about different interesting bushcraft and outdoor stuff. And he sent me one with this blanket pack, I think it was called. But I said, yeah, we do that all the time with our standard size morigamis or a shemagh or just a large piece of cotton. So I'm going to call this the Wanderer pack, or Wanderer configuration for way to carry stuff, because we call Lynn the Wanderer when he's whipped the UV. Interesting story, come back to that later. So drop down here for a minute. This is simple, people have done this all the time. Maybe I just have a water bottle, a large water bottle, and I don't have enough pockets, but I take my the shemagh off, and I'm just going to roll it up. Roll it on the diagonal, and then this just goes around your waist, and then you just make a little square knot, and then boom, you got the Wanderer. Just a way to kind of carry that back there. Not quick access, but this is one of the ways. I have some other videos where I show a lot of different gear. Real partial to hill people gear now. Kifaru packs, herbal stock. Those are fairly expensive, high-end packs. When I was younger and I first started going, I had a Kelty backpack, and then I would make these blanket packs constantly because I couldn't afford gear, and I just saved my pennies up little by little. Another version of the Wanderer pack would be a larger piece of cloth, like my sarong or a small patoo, and then in there I'm going to put my patoo. Maybe I would throw my poncho in there, a water bottle, maybe just a light bit for around camp, or if I don't have a pack. Okay, then I'm going to roll this up, roll this blanket up, roll that up nice and tight, kind of twist these ends shut, and then you can use a piece of paracord, 2 individual pieces, or I've just got my fast rope here. It's about a 12-foot piece of Paramax. I keep these knots in the end. I can come over here at the end of one, and then over this I'll just tie an overhand knot on the standing part, and I've got that end. Just tie that and then cinch it down right with that arbor knot so it stays kind of tight. Then I can come over here to this end and the same sort of thing, take up the excess. Just for now, I'll tie this off just to kind of demonstrate how this would work. So after I've tied this off, you can take the extra cord and tuck it in there. That doesn't really matter right now. Just trying to show that would go. Then I would take the 2 ends and the same sort of thing. I just would pull that around my waist, Lynn, and then I would tie my blanket in the front, and now I've made a small lumbar pack or fanny pack out of my blanket, which I can use when I get to camp. I use this a lot as a day bag when I'm walking around from base camp because it's so easy. Sometimes I make that with the patoo instead of this. Just simple. Sometimes I can put that maybe over my shoulder, lash these together, and wear it slung across here with a little bit more cordage, or even tie it together. So we call that, we're gonna call that from now on the Wanderer pack after Lynn. So if you like that, or you have any comments or questions about that, leave comments below, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share it, and all that. So thanks.